nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Menta kasngi ka arphunriu tarik naitung uba Kennedy Cornelius Kariam uba deiru u MLA barim jong kamau plang constituency ula petno nakaseng Congress bat penyaso yala de syaka party NPP. Bat habaya kren hakajing yalang pediang burom yo uba Kennedy uba dei unong yalam jong ka party NPP. U Conrad sangma ula ai gajing iaroh yo uba lamprang bla uba deiru MDC uba pediang burom yo uba Kennedy bat ailat yo u banyakun ya kani ke election kaban sawan napo ka party NPP. Ula ongru bakajing pediang yo ba Kennedy kala urlong tang nakadaw ba uba bla ula len lade ban ailat yo bat hakaju ka por ula ya weru iki paidbah bakin ai jing thapkti kabajam nakabenta jong u.
I say like that. But the truth is, in October 2021, me and Bla, we were fighting a losing battle. Where Babla came out from the Congress and fought with the NPP ticket, I fought from the Congress ticket, and we both lost. During that time, hate and hatred surpasses us. But today, because of the love for our people and constituency, we have joined together to fight a winning battle in 2023. So from the bottom of my heart, together with my people and my supporter, we thank Bak Lamprang Black, a real gentleman with a big heart, who agreed to step down and pave the way for me to contest the coming general election 2023 from Moplang Province. And he promised to work together hand in hand so that we claim the seat of Moplang in 2023. Let us give Babla a big hand. Sir, with your permission, may I speak in our own dialect? Because most of my friends, they may not find comfortable with the foreign language.